Might as well just open it up while you're in there. He's doing it! He's doing it! Did you do it? My wingman.
Dad, you have to go in.
My sidekick.
You have to go in, Dad.
Dad, you can do it.
No, Dad, you have to go in.
I do.
That defeats the purpose of this.
Give it one more try. You gave it the old 12-year-old try. Get the hell out of my way. Get out of her.
No, Dad, you gotta go in.
Well, don't dally. What are you doing? Creature from the Black Lagoon. It's actually green. Get the hell under there. Come on.
Dad, go in! Russell, splash him until he goes in.
It's cold to stand in here. You got it?
Yes.
USA. Alright, stop!
Push him in.
I gotta take one for the team. Is it open? You wouldn't lie to me, would you?
No.
Oh, God.
You know I would.